Well, the date is Tuesday the 12th of July. It's got this paper. Who's on the front? Oh, it's Mo. Anyways, what I'm looking at, or what I've just stumbled across, is this small moss cup-shaped nest, but it's high in that hawthorn. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to... You can see it nestled in there. It's quite small. All moss. There's no lichen or anything like that. I don't think it's a chaffinch nest. It doesn't look like one anyway. It's quite small, so I doubt I'll be able to get up over the top, but I'm going to give it a shot. See what's in. Just show you this nest from another angle. It's right on the end of the branches. Just see if I can zoom. Yeah. What that is, doesn't look like a chaffinch. This little beauty in here is a new Chiffchaff. I would say this is a second brood. A lot of the warblers I don't think have second broods, but this one, I don't know if you can see in there, but let's see if we can get underneath. Just nestled in there is a Chiffchaff, a new Chiffchaff nest. Quite low in this bramble. This is a second brood. It looks like 4 eggs. Lovely little nest. But I've got my phone at a funny angle, so hopefully it's coming through. Brilliant. We'll get out of here. Here the Chiffchaff. Proof positive on the date. There you are, Tuesday the 12th of July. Second brood Chiffchaff. That's a nice little one in there. A nice one.